different type of adverbs such as adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place and adverb of degree. And in today's video, we are going to discuss another type of adverb, which is adverb of quantity or adverb of frequency. Now, this type of adverb usually tells us how frequently or how often an action is performed or an event took place. And like the other adverbs, this adverb gives us the answer of how often. So how will we define adverb of frequency? This type of adverb tells us how often or how frequently an action or an event took place. It answers the question how often. So in our sentence, if we want to find the adverb of frequency, for that sentence we will question how often, and whatever the answer that we get is the adverb of frequency. For example, mostly, seldom, never, always, frequently, quickly, barely, sometimes. All these are the examples of adverb of frequency. Now, we should always keep in mind that whenever we are making use of the words of adverb of frequency, now this word should never come along with the word having any negative meaning. Negative adverb of frequency examples. Now here the negative examples are never, right? So never, seldom is also kind of negative. Why? Because it does not always tell something positive. Now never, I say I will never come here again. Now come over here is a verb, and never. How often will I come here? I will never come here again. So never is the adverb of frequency because it tells us how frequently or how often an event will take place. Here the event is of coming to someone's place and the person says that I will never come here again. So never over here is adverb of frequency. Clear? Some other examples of adverb of frequency can be she dances very quickly. Now again, dance over here is a verb, and how often does she dance? Very quickly. So very quickly is again the adverb of frequency. Now, I was saying that when we use a negative adverb of frequency, we should always keep in mind that we should never use a negative word having a negative meaning along with this. For example, this same I will say, I will not, never come here again. Now I am making use of two negative words over here. I am using not as well as never. So the meaning of my sentence over here is different with respect to what I want to say over here. Therefore, my way of delivering that message is wrong. If I want to say कि मैं यहाँ पर कभी नहीं आऊंगी, I will say I will never come here again, or I can say I will not come here again. Clear? Understanding that two negative words should not come simultaneously. Now this sentence means कि मैं यहाँ पर कभी नहीं आऊंगी. But when two negative words are used together, it converts the negative meaning to positive. तो इसका मतलब है कि ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं कभी भी यहाँ पर नहीं आऊंगी. So these two sentences are now of different meaning. So we should make sure that whenever we are using negative adverb of frequency, a negative other word having negative meaning should not come with it. So we were talking about few examples of adverb of frequency. Another example can be Rita sometimes speaks loudly. Now speaks is again a verb, and how often does she speak loudly? Sometimes. So sometimes is again the adverb of frequency. Let us take some other examples like I mostly wear jeans at home. Now wear is again a verb, and how often do I wear jeans at home? Mostly. Mostly is almost, right? के ज़्यादा बार. So I mostly wear jeans. This again shows the frequency of my performing some kind of action. Therefore, this is adverb of frequency. So in this video, we discussed about another type of adverb, which is adverb of frequency or adverb of quantity. And then we discussed about different examples of adverb of frequency, and then we applied those examples to our sentences to understand them better.